everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Rhonda, better known as Hot Mess Mama MD. On today's video, I thought we'd do something crazy, something fun, something so outside my comfort zone. I am in a tank top because my anxiety goes through the roof and I start sweating when I'm outside that comfort zone. But today is a St. Patrick's Day eye look. As always, if you are new to my channel, I do upload 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, noon Eastern Standard Time. So if you're interested to see more of my content, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm not normally this crazy bold, but you know, sometimes you got to get outside that comfort zone. But if you want to see more of my content, please make sure to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button down below, as well as the little bell next to it, and that way you'll be notified every time that I upload a video. So without further ado, let's get right into this tutorial if you guys want to see how I got this nice green bold St. Patty's Day look. Okay, so I'll be back with my liner and my lashes. Okay guys, so I'm back with my lashes and my liner, and this is the St. Patty's Day look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm feeling a little crazy. Can you guys tell? I'm feeling way crazy. Like, I don't ever do holiday tutorial looks, anything like that. I know I used a ton of different palettes to create this look, but like I said, I wanted to do something fun, something different, and I never do a holiday look. So I thought, you know, spring is coming, it's right around the corner, St. Patrick's Day is here, so why not have a little bit of fun with it, right? My kids are gonna think I'm crazy. I don't ever do looks this bold. The last bold look I did, you guys, like, notice I'm wearing a tank top today while filming this because my anxiety went through the roof with that electric palette. Oh my goodness. Do you guys remember it? Yes. Even my kids were like, Mom. I'm like, yeah, I know. Right? So this is a fun look, something that you could do for St. Patrick's Day or something like that. You know, get outside your comfort zone sometimes, you know? So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, as always, please make sure to hit that like button down below, as well as don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it, so you can be notified every time that I upload a video. So if you want to see more of these videos, let me know down below, and we can come up with something, maybe a red, white, and blue for July 4th. I don't know, maybe a Christmas themed one. I mean, what else do we have? Halloween. We could do black and orange. We could get really crazy up in here, guys. I don't know. This was just a fun video I put together. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure I've got to go throughout my day looking like this. I should drink more coffee, right? Until next time, my friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.